Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about AAEON high performance computing with Intel Arc GPU in a versatile industrial AI HPC. So friend, AAEON has released the MXM-ACMA-PUC, a new system level product line incorporating 13th generation Intel core processing with embedded Intel Arc GPU. While it is not a company's first product to feature a GPU from Intel Arc series, it is even first product that use the technology is readily developed system level edge computer, and this mini PC can support range of 13th generation Intel Core CPU and up to 35 watt with the system default processor being the 16 core 24 threads and Intel Core i7-13700TE for enhanced machine learning in AI workload management, and this system contains an integrated MXM ACMA module which offer either an embedded Intel Arc A370E and Intel Arc A350E GPU ideal for boosting compute power for AI workload. In terms of interface, this mini PC is equipped with total of 4 LAN ports, 3 running at 2.5 gigabit speed at 1 gigabit, and alongside 2 USB 3.2 generation 2 and 2 COM port and the RS-232, 422 and 485 functionality, and one HDMI 2.0 display it's provide, where the system main circuit board which offer 3840 into 2160 resolution at 60 fps means 60 Hz refresh rate. So friend, for expansion option is comes with M.2 2230E key, M.2 3052B key and M.2 2280 M key slot providing Wi-Fi, 5G and NVMe storage support. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.